Okay, this is the M1 paper from January 2023. This is question number 1, which is a kinematics question. If we look at it all the way through, this is a speed time graph. Let's read it and make a start to it. It says a train travels along a straight horizontal track between two stations A and B. Starts from rest at station A, it accelerates uniformly for t seconds till it reaches a speed of 20. Then travels at a constant speed for 3 minutes, just be careful about units there, that's 180 seconds obviously, before decelerating uniformly and comes to a rest at station B. Magnitude of acceleration is twice the magnitude of deceleration, so it goes up sharper than it comes back. On the axes, draw the graph out. Okay, so we know that to start off with, our train accelerates up to, I'm going to put that as 20 there, and this takes t seconds. It then maintains this speed for 180 seconds here, 3 minutes, 180 seconds. So it's up to you whether you want to put, I'm going to put 180 in there, but I'm also going to put t plus 180 there for when I'm doing my last part. And then after that, it's the magnitude of acceleration is twice the magnitude of the deceleration, so it takes twice as long to decelerate down. So just make that not as steep, and obviously if that value there is t and it takes twice as long, then this value here is 2t, which is going to mean that that's going to be 3t plus 180. So in terms of the sketch, we are sorted, we are done. It then says for part B, the stations are 4.8 kilometers apart. Can we find the value of t? Yeah, we can absolutely do that. We're just going to use the fact that the distance traveled is going to be the same as the area under this line here. So let's tell the examiner what I'm doing. So for part B, distance traveled equals, now what did it say it was? Sorry, I've lost it there. 4.8 kilometers. Yeah, we need it in meters, don't we? So that's 4,800 meters. That's equal to half A plus B times H. This is a trapezium that we've got here. So 4,800 is going to be equal to a half. What are my two lengths? Well, that one's 180, that one's 3t plus 180, and we know the height of it is going to be 20. So when we're looking at that then, putting all that information in, 180 plus 3t, all multiplied by 20. Now it's just an easy equation to solve. We've got that 4,800 is equal to 10 lots of 360 plus 3t. I've just tidied those two up and I've also combined those two there. So that means that 480 is equal to 360 plus 3t. So 3t is equal to 120, so t is going to be equal to 40 seconds. Okay, so relatively straightforward. And then the second part is saying, sorry, part C is saying, find the acceleration of the train during the first t seconds of the motion. We want to find the acceleration at that point. And again, you should all know the acceleration is simply the gradient of the speed time graph. So let's tell the examiner what I'm about to do. Part C. Acceleration equals gradient of graph. So it equals, in this case, that's 20 and that's t there. So it's going to be 20 divided by t. And we've just worked out that t was 40. So 20 divided by 40 is equal to 0.5. Make sure you put all your units on properly. Meters per second squared. And so, yep, nice, easy first question. Hopefully no issues with that whatsoever.